Today I'm going to show you exactly how to edit the WP-config.php file in WordPress using your hosting provider's built-in file manager. By the end, you'll not only know how to find and safely edit this crucial file, but you'll also understand the care needed when working with these core settings, because small mistakes here can have a big impact on your site. Let's dive right in. First, we're going to use the File Manager tool in your hosting control panel. Most popular hosts like Bluehost, SiteGround, or Hostinger offer a simple browser-based file manager. This is honestly the easiest and safest method for most people, since you won't need to deal with any complicated FTP software or risk typing in tricky commands. Start by logging into your hosting account. Not your WordPress dashboard, but the area provided by your web host. Think of it as the trunk of your car where all the mechanics happen. Once you're there, look for something labeled File Manager. It's usually front and center or maybe tucked into a section called Files or Website. Go ahead and click to open it. Now, inside the File Manager, you're going to see a bunch of folders and files that make up your website. What you're looking for is a folder called Public HTML. Sometimes, depending on your host, it might be labeled as www, or it could just be the root directory if you only have one site. Basically, Public HTML is the main storage room for everything your visitors see when they come to your website. Double-click into Public HTML and start browsing the files listed there. Among them, you'll find one called WP-config.php. This is a super important file. It's basically the instruction manual for how your WordPress site connects to the database, handles security keys, and a bunch of other advanced settings. So finding it is a big step. If you have multiple sites on one hosting account, make sure you're in the right folder for the site you want to edit. Before you jump into editing, here's a critical step you should never skip: make a backup. Seriously, always download a backup copy of WP-config.php to your computer before making any changes. It's like making a photocopy of an important document before grabbing a marker. If something goes wrong or you accidentally delete a line you shouldn't, you'll have a safety net. In File Manager, you can usually just right-click the file and look for an option to download. Save that copy somewhere handy on your computer, and then you're ready to proceed. Now let's actually edit the file. In File Manager, right-click WP-config.php and choose Edit. Some hosts may give you a little warning or ask if you want a backup. Always say yes. Your host will open up a simple editor window where you'll see a chunk of code. Take your time here. Scroll through and make only the changes you actually need. If you're following a guide, double-check every letter and character, because even a missing semicolon can create site-wide errors. Once you're done, click Save. Then, if possible, visit your website in a new browser tab just to make sure everything is still working. If you ever see a database connection error, don't panic. Just restore your backup version to undo the changes. And that's it. You've now safely edited the WP-config.php file in WordPress the easiest way. If this was helpful, give the video a thumbs up, and if you ran into any issues, drop your questions in the comments below. I'm always happy to help out. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical WordPress tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.